In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 1099 INT on H&R Block. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to switch over to Federal over here in this drop-down menu, and then you'll be able to see your info. So that's the first thing. You must first complete that part and put in all the information required. And when you do that, when you finish it, you'll see a green check mark, and it's going to take you to the Income tab. Now, first, it's going to ask you a few questions, and after that, you'll see either this where it says your income is looking a little empty, or you'll see this where it says how did you earn money last year. When you see this, the easiest way to actually find and add a 1099 INT is to actually scroll to the bottom, and here where it says search for a form, you want to type in 1099-INT, and as you can see here, it's over here. You can just click on this plus add button and then click on go there, and it's going to take you directly in here, and you'll be able to add an investment account from here. And then of course you can just click on add account again, and you'll be able to add your accounts, and of course basically just go ahead and complete your 1099 NIT from here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.